So now we're going to just talk about the heat demonstration, which is one of the most important parts about your presentation. So you're taking a customer from thinking that a dark film keeps out more heat than a light, spectrally selective ceramic or higher end technology film. So what you basically do is you're going to want to have a heat lamp and you're going to have a BTU meter. You can also have a heat sheet. That's another really good visual aid. But for me, these two work really well. And because you have the places for them in your sales kit, you can always have them with you readily available. So you would ask them, which film is going to keep out more heat? Of course, the customer is going to say the dark one. So you simply take your dark dyed film. Again, this is going to come with your sales kit. And you would have this set up on a table in their house. You turn on the heat lamp, turn on your BTU meter, and I like to move the BTU meter so it's right around 400 BTUs. And then I simply take the dyed film, and you can see there's not much of a change. We're going from 400 to 339. You can even put your hand in front of the heat sheet and feel how the heat is still hot on your hand. So again, 400, 239, that's with a dyed film. You can get well, here we go. And then we go from 400 to 84, 85. And that's with a clear, spectrally select film. So simply what you're showing them is this dyed film, this dark film is not going to do the job, and that's why they should go with one of these more technology-based films. Quick Draw Tools Sales Kit has everything that you need to sell film and get your customer the products that they need. Let us know how we can help. QuickDrawTools.com.
3, 2, 1, cut!